Hey everyone, today we're quickly reviewing the OPENROAD 5-gallon metal water tank. Let's jump right in. This 5-gallon aluminum tank is designed specifically for outdoor and off-road use. It's lightweight, corrosion resistant, and built to withstand tough conditions. Its compact shape makes it easy to fit onto your vehicle setup. Today I'm temporarily securing it to my truck bed using ratchet straps. It's quick, it's easy, and it gets the job done until I'm ready for a more permanent solution where we're going to install it on a roof rack. So this is what it comes with. You've got your water hose that goes to the shower head. That's what you'll attach to here. It's got some mounting hardware. These brackets will come with it. And then you've got the nuts and the bolts and stuff and the fittings for the quick disconnect on it are all there, and a little included wrench. It says a 13 on it, I believe. One's a 13 and one is a 10. And that's how you'll mount it. And it's got mounting tracks here on the bottom, which I can show you right here. That is the bottom. And that's where you will definitely want to mount it, is upright just like this. That way you can put your water in it here. And then you actually will use your air up system, like an air compressor, just like a valve stem on your tire, and hook it onto here. And then this right here is a pressure relief valve. So once it gets too full, it'll automatically just start spraying air out here, and then you'll know when to stop. And then it's good to go. Just make sure that you don't leave this pressurized for a really long time, and don't drink from it, because it's not, I wouldn't drink from it. It's not safe. There's no telling what chemicals are used in this. So don't ingest it, but you can definitely shower with it, spray off with it. You can wash your gear off with it. You can wash your feet off with it. The kids love using it, but I'm gonna fill it up with water real quick, put some air in it, and show you what it looks like, because we've used it a couple times already, but I wanna show you what it looks like. So here we go. So like I was saying, I'm going to mount mine just temporarily. I'm just gonna ratchet strap it to my rack. It's not gonna go anywhere at all. And I'm gonna fill it up with water now and get some air inside this right here, and then hook up the shower connector to it, and show you guys how the shower works. Once we get the roof rack on top of the Jeep up here, I'm going to now then move this up there permanently, and I'll put up a video about that at a later date. But for right now, I'm just gonna temporarily keep it right here. And this is definitely good enough for me. It's secure, it's not gonna move. It's not gonna move around, nothing like that at all. All right, now that we've got it filled with water at about 70% capacity, and you can check your water level right here. Now we're gonna put a little air in it, and it's got a tire valve stem on it. So we're gonna undo this right here. And I'm gonna hook my air compressor for my tires up to it. And then once it's full of air, it should shoot out that red cap there. Hopefully not too crazy, but I guess we'll find out. All right, so you're gonna take this fitting here, take this flatter end. This end here with a longer one is gonna go into the bottom of the shower head. So we're gonna take this one here, and just to screw her on like that. Okay, and we attach the shower head. Okay. Now, all we should have to do at this point is just plug the shower head in. Now it's locked in. Turn the valve. Turn that off. Okay, it doesn't leak. Most of these shower heads are really cheap, and when you turn them off, they still just leak everywhere. But you can tell that I did this I hand tightened this without thread lock or anything on it, you know, and it's not leaking or anything. So now we've got different shower heads. Let's try this. Oh, wow. Oh, that feels so good. Oh, it actually feels really good.
Does it get enough pressure to rinse off your truck?
Yeah, I think so, honestly. Let's try it. Would this one be better? I don't know. No, not really. But yeah, you can definitely, I mean, that one right there will do it, right?
Yeah, look, it's getting...
Don't get me wrong, it's not like pressure washing the thing, but this would definitely be enough to take a shower, and it's definitely enough to at least rinse the truck off, you know what I mean? Or gear or whatever. So I actually ran it out of water before I ran it out of air, which is crazy because now it's just spitting. And you can tell on the temperature or on the water gauge, it's empty. It's just blowing air now, or trying to. Actually feels kind of good too. Oh wow, this is really good. Here, you want to try it?
No. No!
We'll let you decide for yourself. If you want to get one, check the link in the description down below, and you can get yourself one of the OPENROAD off-road 5-gallon metal water tank shower systems. That's a mouthful. Overall, the OPENROAD 5-gallon metal water tank is solidly built, practical, and perfect for any overlanding needing reliable water storage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trails.